Hello, welcome to lesson 15 of Erlang tutorial. In this lesson, I will be talking about case expression. So, the case expression basically is here in case you don't want to only use pattern matching and uh, guards, for example, because maybe for the readability reason or that there will be too much code, you found that using case expression would be better for you. So you can use something like this. We have case and here we put expression, some Erlang expression here. It could be some term or the result of the function. And then we are writing off. And here we type the pattern matching. So we can type pattern 1, for example. We can add optional guard. And here we write something like expression to execute. And then we have pattern 2 when guard 2 expression to execute. So let's say we have only two expressions and then we type end. So here I will show soon a more specific example, but this is basically the syntax of this case expression. So here, for example, you could have some expression like, I don't know, the result of some function, and here you would try to match it. In case no expression is matched, error will be thrown. And in this tutorial, in this part of the tutorial, I'll just focus on the case expression, and soon I will also show how to handle error, which will be thrown in case this no pattern was matched. So let's go to and write some Erlang module using with case expression. So I will use very simple example. I will call it greetings Erlang, and this module will be just for different languages and different age of person who should be greeted. It will be write the greetings string. So for example, I could have some older people, then I need to say Mr. Or I can have some younger people, then I can just say without Mr. Like just hello, right? And so let me demonstrate it to you. I have greetings module, and here I want to export a function greet with two arguments. The arity of this function is 2, and I have a definition of this function, greet, name of the person who I want to greet, and also language. So the name of the person will be string and the language will be atom. For example, for this example I will just use Polish. Let's say of course I should first write case. So I want to do a case on language, and here I can type, for example, Polish. So in case this language is equal to Polish atom, I can write something like IO format, and in Polish it would be something like witaj, and then the name, and then the new line. Okay, since I want to have more patterns, I will type semicolon, and here I can type English, for example. IO format, hello, name, and the new line. And maybe one more language, Spanish. And here it will be something like hola, and so and something like this. And here I don't need to write semicolon. I will just write end and the dot, since this is the end of this function. So let's test it. Let's see how it will work. For this reason, I will save and go to Erlang shell. I will compile this module. Greetings. Okay, its compilation was successful. Hey, and now we can greet, for example, John. And of course, John would be Englishman. So let's greet him in English. Now we can greet John in, for example, Polish. Witaj John. And now we can greet him in Spanish. And we will write Hola John. Okay. So this is very simple demonstration how to use case expression. Now I mentioned that you can use optional guard in the case expression. So let's slightly modify our example to see how we could demonstrate how a guard would work here. So my previous video was about guards. This is quite a broad and complex topic, so I would refer you to that video if you want to know everything about guards or yeah, major part of the guards. For now, I will just focus on some basic examples. So let's say I want to also make sure that the person who I want to greet, I will greet him uh, uh, officially or unofficially. So in my case, in Poland, if you are above 18, you should be more or less greet officially because you're mature, and therefore maybe we could use this logic. I could also pass here the flag, official or unofficial, but here I will use this age. So the age is also passed, so I can determine about based on the age whether it's below 18, and I should greet him like hello, hello something, like unofficially, or in any other case when I want to fall back to official, so it would be like witaj panie and then the name. So the hello Mr. You will see it in when I will rework I will add this pattern for English. So here I will also add when age below 18, we just say hello, hello John, for example. But if he's above, maybe we want to say, we see that he is a little bit older, so maybe it makes sense to greet him officially. Hello, Mr. S and N. Yes. And here we'll put name. And similarly for Spanish, I have also the guard here, which will use this comparison below 18. Hola, John, it will be. But if it's official without a guard, so above 18, I can type something like, oops, not here, but here. O format. Hola. I think it's something like senor, senior, and then SN. And of course, I don't want to have any other guards. This is it. So I don't need to type semicolon. Let me save and test this program. Yeah, I need to run Erlang first, or let me clear the screen. Greetings, and I have one error, okay, because I'm exporting function which arity is 2, but then I added also age, so I need to increase the rarity. And now it should be fine. No. Clear Erlang. See, greetings. Greetings, greet. And now, okay, let's greet John once more in Polish, for example. And John is 17. Let's say he's 17. Okay, it will be just hello John, witaj John. And if he's 18, it would be witaj panie John. So it would be something like hello Mr. John. Yeah, it's maybe sounds not very natural, but we are here demonstrating the case and not in language. So it would be something like in English, hello Mr. John. And if he is below 18, hello John. So this is it. And in Spanish also, hola John. And if he is older, then it would be hola Senor John. Now let's see what would happen if my case doesn't match. So I will pass some unknown language, which is unknown, and then exception error happened. No case close matching unknown. So once I will be explaining how to handle errors in Erlang, I will show you how to handle these unmatched situations. So this is it. During the next lesson, I will be talking about if expression. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening and stay tuned for the next lesson.